This is the final video to fix the black screen after changing your monitor's refresh rate. And if your display went dark the moment you switched the Hertz setting, stay with me. I'll give you every easy fix so you can recover your screen for sure. This is Rexicht. Are you also stuck with a black screen right after increasing or lowering the refresh rate? This happens because Windows applies a refresh rate your monitor or cable can't support. When that happens, the display shuts off and you feel stuck. Most guides online are confusing, but when this happened to me, I fixed it with one simple trick. First, restart your PC using the keyboard. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Then press the up arrow once, hit Enter, and press Alt plus F4. Then choose Restart with the arrow keys and hit Enter. After reboot, Windows usually resets to the last working refresh rate. If the screen is still black, boot into safe mode. Turn off your PC, turn it back on, and force shutdown 3 times to trigger recovery mode. Go to Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and boot into safe mode. In safe mode, go to Display Settings and lower the refresh rate to a supported one. Next, reinstall your graphics driver. Still in safe mode, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, and choose Uninstall Device. Restart your PC, and Windows will reinstall the correct driver automatically. If the problem continues, use the low resolution mode. In startup